Hello guys, welcome back to yet another lesson. And in today's video, what I'm about to show you, these are my three main things that I get to use for any trade that I get to take. Basically, these are just the three basic stuffs that you need to know for you to start becoming profitable into trading. So I'll be showing you, I'll be taking you through my last trade I took yesterday. Yesterday was on Friday during New York session, that is during the afternoon, and I'll be showing you exactly what I got to see that triggered me to take this trade. And of course, I'll also be attaching how much I got to make for you to make sure that you do understand for sure Forex is for real. So in order for you to be receiving these kind of videos each and every single time, just go ahead, make sure you get to hit that subscribe button, the button that is just below here, and of course turn on the notification bell so that you always be updated whenever we have a new tip to share with you. And of course, let me just let you know, for those people who have this mentality that Forex is a scam, I would say for sure on my side, I'm a funded trader, and Forex is not easy, and of course you'll need to make sure that you get to put in the hours for you to learn exactly how to go about this. But trust you me, after the pain, after putting in the hard work, long hours, it's going to pay up by the end of the day. So what we have here, I'll be heading to my computer to share my that is my trade view, so that you can get to see exactly which are these three things that I normally get to use when I'm going to take a trade. So for now, let's switch and we get to see each other on the other side. Well, if you have been following my videos, you do understand this is not the first time I'll be talking about these things, but they are not any complicated. You just need to know how to apply them. First thing first, once you get to come to your trading view, for you to analyze things, I normally recommend start by drawing psychological levels. And for my case, since I only trade just one currency pair, which is GBP JPY, I've already drawn psychological levels along on my chart to make sure that I get to know where the market is going to be focusing to reach, or where to place my stop loss, and of course to make sure my stop loss of course is safe, and of course I can really get to handle what I'm about to can really hold that trade to make sure that I don't get stopped out just for the sake of a small stop loss. So first thing first, get to draw your psychological level. That's the first thing you need to do whenever you get into the charts. Draw a psychological level. That's something which is very important. Draw the psychological level. Also, another important thing that you also need to understand, make sure you get to zoom out to see how the market is, and whether you are really on a downtrend or an uptrend. And of course, I'll tell you, don't have so many rules that you need to follow, since the best trades, and of course the trades that really pay off, they just use simple strategies, and of course by the end of the day you can get to see the market clearly. So you can see on Friday the market has really been ranging, and of course normally said avoid raging markets, but after they were newsly released around here, you can see the market really unfolded downwards. And by the time we were around afternoon, I came to the charts and I got to see the market had really broken these points. So apart from the psychological levels, you can also get to put in place use of trend lines. Trend lines is another very important feature, and I would recommend anybody out there to make use of trend lines. So with the trend lines, the market usually touches the market, normally touches the trend line 3 times before it can get to reverse, and you can see that's exactly what happened here. The market got to touch here. This is one touch, second touch, and of course that touch here, and the fourth touch, the market got to break on the other side. And I was anticipating, since we had a psychological level here, which is 201.000, I was anticipating the market is going to go up, and of course my target was at that is 201.500. So you can see that's how I took that trade, and the good thing is that the market just got to unfold, went up till the market even proceeded to keep going up. And of course that's how you get to make use of psychological levels. Psychological levels, they're very important when it comes to placing your TPs as well as your stop losses. Another important thing with the psychological level, you get to know where the market is at the moment, and whether that's a very good area for you to focus on, or even to just allow the market to just unfold and get closer to the psychological level. Number 2, you just make use of trend lines. Trend lines is also another important, very important thing to put in place, since it gets to allow you to understand basically where am I heading. And of course, the other important thing, the third one, of course, is whereby you can get to look at the price action, how the candlesticks they are forming. Is there any particular chart pattern that you can get to see? For this case, you can see the market was forming a W kind of, and if you can get to draw something like a line here, let me just draw a line here. And of course, you get to draw these around. You can see there's also these other trend line. You can see the market forms something like this, an ascending triangle. And whenever the market gets to do that, when it gets to break and break that line that's holding the market on the upper side, the market gets to blow up and get to catch long moves. And you can see that's exactly what happened here, and the market really unfolded upward. So basically, with the use of a psychological level, trend line, as well as just reading the price action, it's very important. And if you can get to just be putting in place such strategies, you'll find yourself becoming very profitable. And trust you me, this is a strategy that can really pay you. And that's basically what my edge is all about: use of trend line, psychological levels, and reading the price action as the candlestick they are being printed. Of course, don't complicate the trading process, because the more you get to complicate, the more it becomes even hard to make a decision. And you do understand, with Forex, you just need to be thinking clear, and you get to see things in a clear and a better way. So that's it for today, guys. And of course, I'll be looking forward to seeing you in our next episode. And of course, let me know what you need to where you're finding hardship. Let me know if you need any assistance, and then from there we'll just move forward together. And that's it for today, and take care, guys.